Who's ready to dive right into an incredible rental property here in Fiji? This one happens to be in Fantasy Island. It's about 27 years in the making. Crown lease properties. You can see they're still doing work on some of these homes here, but this is a really cool rental property. And if you go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051, you're gonna get all the details of this 4-bedroom, 4-bath, furnished rental property. All the bedrooms have their en-suites. You have a fully functioning kitchen here with the granite countertops, all the modern appliances, as you can see. You even have the kettle and microwave, knife set. Of course, the air conditioners, the ceiling fans, tiling throughout. Great location, really close to all the jobs, shopping, restaurants, retail, medical facilities. You can see this place also has those built-in wardrobes, which makes it very, very convenient. Let's take a look over here back at the kitchen, and you can see, look at that. If you're a chef or love to cook, whoa, you can get some serious work done there. I wish I knew how to cook, but my wife is the cook and she is fantastic. So if you or someone you love knows how to cook or wants to learn how to cook, man, this is a great place to do it. And entertain family and friends, because great, you have this big, huge island right here. Really open concept, which is fun for having people over. There you got that big screen TV for the Netflix, watching those rugby matches, and just really enjoying yourself. And come out on this patio and look at that, just water views. I mean, check this out. These don't come up too often, so if you are looking for a really nice rental property in Fiji, in the Western Division, close to Nandi International Airport, Queens Highway, and again, all the conveniences, this is a great place to be. Go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll get you all the rental details of this beautiful waterfront property in Fantasy Island. Hope you're having a spectacular day. We're going to check out these beautiful mountain views, and we'll look forward to hearing from you very, very soon. Vanaka.